We knew we wanted a change in our backyard. It was getting blistered by the sun, making it unbearable to entertain in the backyard whatsoever.
My goal was to make the space as useful, livable as possible. We have a patio section that has 4 chairs and a couch, an egg chair, and then we got another section that has a couple chairs, and then we have a section that has a table and chairs where we will eat.
We have a fire feature that is a table with glass surrounding an open flame, and then we have a vertical towering fire feature, and both put off a nice amount of heat for evenings out here and just ambiance in particular. And we do have a little water feature in the corner, yes. We have the basic unit, it's bronze. We have stone louvers. We have 2 shade screens that are very, very important to have for us since our house faces west.
We kind of calculated, since we do have big parties out here, how many people can we actually get under here, like if it's raining or something. And because it's so large and usable, we can actually get 30 people under the pergola. My sister and I are kind of competitive with decorating. When they came to visit, she was just like, "You did an amazing job. This is absolutely beautiful." It's very peaceful, very calm. It's what I envision for retirement.